If you want to test a policy or you want to test a law, you test it at its weakest point where it breaks to make sure that the justice is delivered. Now here, this is the strongest treaty the world has seen. It has survived 3 wars between 2 nuclear powers. If this treaty doesn't hold, ladies and gentlemen, no treaty in the world is worth the weight of the paper on which it's published. No world order post Second World War holds today if this treaty doesn't hold. Because the order that we created after the Second World War, it all came out of these treaties. So what is the value of a treaty if one powerful country, and we don't consider them powerful, but one powerful country one day gets up and says, the treaty, well, it may well be, but it doesn't apply to me. And I unilaterally put it in abeyance or suspend it or walk out of it. This is what previously led to genocides. This is why the world came together and weaved itself into these web of treaties. And one of the strongest treaties in the world, one country just gets up and says it doesn't hold anymore.